Have you ever wondered why some people naturally attract productive relationships while others struggle with constant conflict? The truth is, successful relationships are not just coincident, but they are built on a timeless principle. Stick around, I will reveal powerful rules to connect effortlessly and work productively with anyone. Just know that relationships are the backbone of our personal and professional lives, whether with family, friends, or colleagues, and knowing how to relate with people can unlock endless opportunity. This video teaches 7 laws of building strong and meaningful connection with anyone. 1. The law of respect. Every relationship should start with mutual respect. Treat people with dignity, listen without interrupting, and show appreciation for their views even when you disagree. Respect builds trust, and trust strengthens relationship. 2. The power of empathy. Put yourself in other person's shoes. Understand their feelings and perspective before responding. Empathy fosters deeper connection and make people feel more valued. 3. Clear communication is the key. Be honest, concise, and kind in your communication. Misunderstanding often arises from unclear messages. Say what you mean and mean what you say. 4. Learn the art of listening. Listening is more than hearing. It's about paying attention, showing interest, and validating what others say. People feel more connected to those who truly listen. 5. Set healthy boundaries. Respect your limits and others. Boundaries are essential for maintaining peace and avoiding burnout in both personal and professional relationships. 6. Be generous with gratitude. A simple thank you can go a very long way. Appreciate people for their efforts, no matter how small. Gratitude strengthens bonds and encourages positive interaction. 7. The law of consistency. Consistency builds reliability. Show up, follow through on promises, and be dependable. Consistency earns respect and deepens trust. Be consistent with your word, promises, and values. Strong relationships don't just happen by chance. They are built with intention and care. Which of these rules will you apply today? Let's talk about it in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos. Thank you.